Well, guys, we just landed here in Italy. We're here in Lake Como. It is beautiful beyond belief. Photo opportunities around every corner. You couldn't go wrong. We're going to get ready here to meet the bride and groom, do a quick little walkthrough of their wedding day hotel, go over some logistics, figure out what the battle plan is going to be. Let's do it. One thing that I've noticed since being here in Italy is that, number one, driving here, it's a real cliffhanger. Like, around every corner, you really don't know if you're gonna make it. Like, everything in Italy is just super narrow. Pretty much like a video game, except there's no reset button. Whoa. We just went and had some nice lunch with our clients. We did a full tour of the hotel for Saturday, and it's really nice, that's for sure. So right now we're trying to head on over to the villa where we want to do some styled bridal portraits of the couple tomorrow. And we have basically two choices. We either hike about 20 minutes with all of our gear, which that's not going to work, or we take a boat of some type. We just took a ferry from one side of Lake Como to the other with the car, and now we're on foot, so we gotta figure this out. That could be it. All right, guys, so we made it here to the villa, and we took the little water taxi over here. It wasn't too bad, about 10 minutes. Problem is that we got here and there's like 1,000 people here. I don't think I'm even exaggerating, right? At least 500 people here, like, for real. A little freaked out because this is supposed to be our place tomorrow for our styled shoot with the bride and groom, and it will still be open for the general public tomorrow. So I'm not sure how that's all gonna go down. I mean, don't get me wrong, this place is absolutely beautiful and is ridiculous, and we've been looking forward to this basically the entire planning process of the whole wedding. But when there's this many people around, you really can't do much. All right, guys, so we just spent about 2.5, 3 hours walking around this Villa Bambino place. I'm probably mispronouncing it. Here in Italy. You know, we're gonna have to do the best we can. Girl here at the venue said that they opened at 10 a.m. and she said at 10 a.m. this morning they had 50 people lined up ready to go. And it just gets worse. People come in by foot, by car, and by boat to come tour. By the way, I'm out of breath because this is no joke. Like, we just lost 4 pounds each. I mean, going up and down this place, yeah, dude, like, going up and down this place is absolutely insane. So, what did you think about the day today?
I don't know if that'll just be enough to say it, but I tell you what, man, You know, it was great being here. It is great being here. It's just when you don't know the language, the language barrier, everything, you know, that is perfect. I wouldn't say perfect. Everything that we complain about in our place in Florida.
Yeah.
You know, when we go back, we're really gonna appreciate it, because you know everything that's here, it's great and it's beautiful. But it's just when you just don't understand it, and when it's just confusing. But other than that, you know, all that aside, it's a great place.
All right, well, we're on our way to the villa, and
It's gonna be an interesting one.
it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully there's not 2,000 people there. Clients are running a little bit late today. They're having some issues. They actually had to end up going back to Milan for a different hotel to meet up with some of their extended family, and then they're gonna be driving back to Lake Como, so that's about a 90-minute drive. And over here, that's a big deal because it's very tricky. So hopefully we'll be catching up with them momentarily. All right, guys, so here we are, and hopefully this all works. Mike, come down right here. Come down further, just keep looking. Right in front of this tree, come right back here, right there, hang tight. Have you turn your waist this way, lean into Mike, arch your back into him. Yes, like that. I'd say almost like I caught you like in a laughter. Yes, good. Hold it there. Let me get the top of that arch. Looking toward each other. Yes, cross this leg over this way to give the shape to the dress so it looks like you're in motion. And emphasize by leaning forward a little bit. You'll be looking off in the direction like this. Yes, both of you actually looking off this way. Nice. That's awesome. Hold it there. Hold it there. Let me get the shadow in the shot here as well. Stand by, hold it. Lots of laughter. Almost like you've had some champagne. Nice and cool. Yes, Mike, turn your face slightly in the direction of the light. Yes, like that. Awesome. Hold it there. Lots of laughter, guys. Lean forward. Laugh it up. Laugh it up. Get some energy in. Nice. Looking toward each other. That's it. Very nice, hold it there. And then you both can just rest your hands in the middle, hands together, right? Yes, like that. Now close the gap, chins up nice and high. A little bit of space between your faces like that, because it's a pretty far away shot, but it looks awesome. And then Mike, go and kiss her on the temple. Yeah, right. Laughing and kissing, that's it, like that. Beautiful, hold it there, hold it. One more beep, hold it there, hold it. Laugh it up, big, laugh it up, hold it. One more. Got it. Like cuddle it, snuggle into him a bit more. Right, that's it, snuggle it up, nice. And a nice kiss right there. Looking toward each other. Yeah. Awesome. Well, guys, that's a wrap for today. We did the shoot at the villa. We didn't have nearly as many people there as we did yesterday, so that was a good thing. All right, guys, so today's wedding day. We're getting here at the hotel in Lake Como, Italy, nice and early. Guys, check out the view in this hotel. It is absolutely, positively phenomenal. Take a look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, you know what? Can you sit up on that? Yeah, kind of hop right up, right? And then kind of aim your body this way, cross the leg that way, exactly. We won't get the bride, but this might be really cool. Now, let's do this. Let's take your right hand, kind of go up to the dress, pretend to like kind of fix it, like you look at, yes, right. That's it. Happy, happy, happy. Turn your face even more. Chin up high. That's it, like that. Hold it there.
Yo, Michael,
Te tomo a ti y a Nelly como esposa
te tomo a ti y a Nelly como esposa
y prometo serte fiel y cuidar de ti
y prometo serte fiel y cuidar de ti
en la riqueza y en la pobreza,
en la riqueza y en la pobreza,
en la salud y en la enfermedad,
en la salud y en la enfermedad,
todos los días de mi vida.
todos los días de mi vida.
Nelly,
Yo y Nelly,
te tomo a ti Michael como esposo
te tomo a ti Michael como esposo
y prometo serte fiel y cuidar de ti
y te prometo serte fiel y cuidar de ti
en la riqueza y en la pobreza,
en la riqueza y en la pobreza,
en la salud y en la enfermedad,
en la salud y en la enfermedad,
todos los días de mi vida.
todos los días de mi vida.
Hazlo suave para que te diga.
Pues os declaro marido y mujer, marito e moglie. Enhorabuena, podéis besar.
We'll go in the pocket. That's it. And then this arm will go right around her. I want you to kind of face him. So he's more kind of facing me, like this, and you're going to face him so it's the side of you like this. Yes. Then that gives an excuse to then take this, and we can see it. Right. You can handle the pocket and join her hand on your chest. Just kind of grab it nicely. Yes. Beautiful. Hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it. Wait for that boat. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right, guys. I'm here with my main man, Chris. I'll tell you right now, Italy. Everything's backwards here, but it's amazing. Let's do it.